Hey there, I'm social media manager Bethany, and today I'm going to talk about 3 things that most businesses get wrong on social media. So, the number one thing that people get wrong on social media is that they care way too much about follower count. So, right now, Facebook posts are organically reaching, there's a lot of different numbers out there, but about 6% of your followers. So, even if you have a million followers, that's less than 100,000 people. Um, so, what you really want to be focusing on is increasing your engagements and specifically your comments, your shares, your direct messages. And that's important because one engaged follower is way more powerful than thousands of followers who aren't engaging with you at all. So, the second thing that most businesses are getting wrong on social media is that they are not engaging with customers or responding to them. In fact, one study I've seen said about 89% of all messages from customers are being ignored by businesses. This is a huge pet peeve of mine because it really doesn't help you on social media. Social is not like advertising on print or TV or radio where you can't talk directly with the customers. It's really the opposite. It's the one place where you can talk directly with them, hear from them, and engage with them. So you can't treat it like those mediums and expect to get the same results you were getting from those. So always respond to your customers' comments and their messages, even if it's something short, thanking them. It can go a long way toward making them feel valued and heard. And try to make time also to engage proactively with other businesses in your industry or other influencers that are within your community. The third thing most businesses are getting wrong about social media is that they think that they can't track the results that they're getting, and that's not true at all. While social media is really most useful during brand awareness and brand consideration, those phases within the marketing funnel and the consumer journey, you can track the steps your customer is taking. I do this personally by using UTM Builder that Google offers. It's a free service and it basically adds a little bit of code to the end of any link that you share on social media that then you can see within Google Analytics where that traffic came from. And if you have your goals set up in Google Analytics, they also offer a multi funnel report where you can see even if the person on social didn't fill out a form right away or convert on your website right away, it will show that it contributed to them eventually converting and doing the action that you wanted them to do. What do you think most businesses are getting wrong about social media? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Also, feel free to share any subjects that you'd like Fresh Creative to talk about in our next video. Have a great day!